Welcome to episode number 32. The ceiling plaster of the passage area, the beam area has been highlighted. In the kitchen, as mentioned earlier, only the loose pockets have been replastered. Now here there was a defect in the slab which has been rectified by concreting. Same here in the washing machine area as well. The rest walls have been plastered. This is the proposed kitchen sink area. Now here what I'm highlighting is the patch of slab which was not in a good condition. So that was being rectified. The waterproofing of this kitchen flower bed was already being covered. What today new here, what you see is the ceiling plaster which has been completed. Rest in the living and dining as such, it is the curing which is going on. That is the reason why the ceiling is sparkling, because of the presence of water and the reflection of light as well. Moving ahead, in the common bathroom there is a change here. There is a new brick wall which you are seeing. The brick wall, usually we don't take it at a complete stretch, we do it in different levels so that there is complete strength to the structure. Apart from that, you had already seen the plastering which was done for covering the concealed flush tank. In the common bedroom, the ceiling plaster curing is going on. Now moving ahead to the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, 2 days back you had seen I have started the removal of loose waterproofing area in the balcony, which has been completed. In the common bathroom as such, there were minor plumbing things which are getting done and the curing is going on. So rest, I have already ordered the tiles for both the bathrooms. So probably from next week we are lining up the tiling work as well. Apart from that, even the kitchen platform would be the platform work, kitchen countertop work would be commenced from next week. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so very much for being patient and enjoying the series. Do like, comment and share. Thank you so very much.